Hello dears, in this video we are going to learn about factorization in algebra. So first we want to learn what is factorization. So factorization means expressing any number as a product of two or more number is called as factorization. So see this number 12, how this 12 can be expressed 2 into 2 into 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. In algebraic expression, expressing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more expression is called the factorization. So see this example. Now a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a squared minus b squared can be expressed as a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b and a minus b is the factors of a squared minus b squared. Then next see this example 2. 5y plus 30 is expressed as 5 into y plus 6. Now 5 and y plus 6 is factor of 5y plus 30. Factorization process in algebraic expression, we want to take all the common factors from the expression. Here is the 5 types of factorization in algebraic expression. So look at the type 1. So factorization by taking out the common factors from each term. So what we want to do means taking out the common factors from each term. See this question, factorize 4x squared y plus 8xy. Solution, we have the equation 4x squared y plus 8xy. This can be written as 4x squared y. How we will write means this 4 we can write 2 into 2 and x squared we can write x into x and y. Then plus 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and into x into y. Now the next step is taking out the common factors. So we want to focus what is a common for this term and this term. So first see this 2. Now here is 1 2 and here also 2. This 2 we can take out common. The next here is 1 2 and here also 2. This 2 also we want to take common. Then here is x but here is 2. So 2 keep it as. Then here is x and here is x. So we want to take it common. Then here is one more x, here no more x. So take it as it is. Then here is y and here is y. So take out y as a common. Then what is under left there? 1x and 1 2. Though x plus 2 keep it as it is. Now 2 into 2 4. Then x into y xy x plus 2. Now 4x squared y plus 8xy can be written as 4xy into x plus 2. Now 4xy and x plus 2 is factors of 4x squared y plus 8xy. Next see the type 2. Type 2 is factorization by taking out the common binomial factor from each term. So we want to taking out the binomial factors from each term. So see this question, factorize 2x plus 5 into x minus y plus 4y into x minus y. Now solution, we have 2x plus 5 x minus y plus 4y into x minus y. What is the next step? Taking out the common binomial factor. So what is a common binomial for this term and this term? So x minus y and x minus y is the common term for here and here. So we want to taking out common x minus y and 2x plus 5 and plus 4y. Now x minus y into 2x plus 5 plus 4y is a factor of this term. Next see this type 3. So type 3 we want to factorization by group. So factorization by grouping method. So look at the question. X squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. So solution, we have x squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. Grouping the terms suitably as. So our suitable. So look at this, first place is x, and first place here is the x, and second place is z and z. So first we want to group x and z. So first write x squared plus xy, then plus yz plus xz. Now take the term common out. X we will take a common out means, then balance here is 1x and 1y. Then plus we will take z common out means, then here is y plus x. Then x plus y plus z, just reorder this x plus y. Now taking out this common binomial x plus y and x plus y taking out, then balance x plus z is balanced. Now x plus y and x plus z is the factors of x squared plus yz plus xy plus xz. The next see the type 4. In type 4, factorization using identities. So look at the identities. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So see this question, x squared plus 8x plus 16. Solution. Now we have this x squared plus 8x plus 16 is question. This can be written as x squared plus 8x, then 16 we can write 4 squared. So for 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 we can write 4 squared. Then comparing this with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square. This is this formula. So from this formula, a plus b the whole square. Now a means value is x. Then b value is 4. Now we will get a value is x and b value is 4. Now apply this value into the formula. So a value is x, so x squared plus 2. A value is x and b value is 4 plus b value is 4. So 4 squared equal to a value is x and b value is 4. Now x plus 4 the whole squared. Now x squared, 2 4s are 8 and x plus 4 into 4 16 equal to x plus 4 the whole squared. Now x plus 4 the whole squared means, so x plus 4 and x plus 4. So x plus 4 and x plus 4 are the two factors of x squared plus 8x plus 16. Next see type 5. In type 5, factorization of the expression ax squared plus bx plus c. In this type 5, we want to factorize in this method ax squared plus bx plus c. Now look at the question. Factorize x squared plus 8x plus 15. Solution given x squared plus 8x plus 15. This is the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Now from this we will get the value of a, b, c. A value is 1 and b value is 8 and c value is 15. Here is the one rule. The product of a and c is 15. 1 into 15 is 15. And this we will put this 15 means the sum we want to get answer b. So b value we want to get 8. Now see this example. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So we will get a into c. Now 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 8. So that is the rule. Then next to see the question, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now this can be expressed x squared plus 8x can be expressed 3x plus 5x plus 15. Then group this x squared plus 3x and 5x plus 15. Now from this term we will take common x. So x squared we will take x and one more x is here, and this x we will take out common means balance 3. Then plus we will take a commonly 5 here. So 5 we will take means 1x and 5 15. Now 5 3s are 15. So we here we will write 3. Now x plus 3, here also x plus 3, and then common binomial factor we will take out. So x plus 3 and x plus 3. So we will take common out x plus 3 and balance x plus 5. Now x plus 3 and x plus 5 is the common factors of x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay dears, understand the 5 types clearly. In next video, we will solve the problems from exercise 3.4 using these 5 types of factorization. Thank you.